Okay, so today we're going to have a look at this house that's being fitted out. It's the builder's holiday and they've left it open, so we're going to go in and have a look at how they fit out these houses. So in earlier videos you saw me go into the empty shells of this type of house, and you see they've been doing a lot of work here. There's probably going to be, they've put a big hole to put windows in down there, look, because that was dark if you remember. And this looks like a fish tank here, and of course a light well there. Let's go in and have a look. So they're trying to get as much light in as possible by putting this window here. This looks like the kitchen area. And being very fitted out nicely in a Chinese style. The stairs have been widened and these rooms have been changed. More light. More fittings. So that's the electrical stuff. You can see down there's much more light. Let's go down there first. I'll make a clip of what I did last time. You can see how dark it was down here and how successfully they've created more light. It's going to be dark. I'm going to try and show you with my torch, so we'll do the best that we can. Okay, so here we have, this is a huge room. This is a huge room. You can hear the echo. But look, it's a huge underground room here. You can't really see it. Another small room here, and kitchen or bathroom. That's a bathroom. You can see. You've got some light there. This room here. So there's the light well. And if you remember, these rooms were pitch black, but now they've got some lighting. By digging that deep hole and putting the windows in. And again here, more windows, more light. And fitting this out as a bathroom, shower room, I guess. And another room here, which is getting some light from, again, up there, a light well. So there's a little bit of light here as well. And down here is the back entrance. See what we can see down here. Well, we can really see nothing down here. But there's not much down here. That's the front. This is the back door, I think, into the garage. It's the back door into the garage. And this is just, there's just another little room there. You can't really see it. Let's get up into the light. Let's see what they're doing upstairs. Another nice bathroom. Guess this is going to be a bedroom. Back on the ground floor. Oh. Yeah, I guess this would be a ground floor bedroom. So, yeah. Let's go and see upstairs. swimming pool there. Lots of light, all these extra windows, giving as much light as possible. Another bathroom and shower room. It's quite big. Sorry about my puffing and panting. The problem with these houses is there's no view. They cost a lot of money, but nothing. That's our apartment block there. The river is over there, but there's no view. Nothing. Yeah, they put more windows up there, more light. Had to get as much light in as possible. Another bathroom and shower room. How many is that? And yeah, this little room. More stuff up there, I suppose. Loft space, but they've got more light. They've got more light up there. More light space up there. I guess it's a loft. Can't see any stairs. But again, no view, no view. The reason there's no builders here today is because it's the New Year's holiday and they left all the doors open, so I took the opportunity to sneak in to have a look. That looks like they've got a back door, and here's the garden. So, have a bit of a garden. You see, that's the light well, and they've put a roof on this, and they've got a light well here. I can see that getting full of water in the rains and making everything damp down there, but hey. Shut it up again. So this is a kitchen area. You see, it's not very big. Chinese kitchens are traditionally not very big. We've got 2-burner cooker. No, have they got an oven? Oh yeah, it looks like they've got an oven, which is unusual. But yeah, so I like the traditional round door. Well, anyway, that's your trip around this, I think, 8 million yuan, 9 million yuan Chinese house that's in the process of being fitted out. And you can see the difference. I'll put the link of the trips around the sort of concrete shells that I did earlier in the year to see how Chinese people are fitting out their homes. So hope you enjoyed that little trip. Don't forget to please subscribe and bell and like and all that good stuff. So have a great new year. Bye-bye.